Hello friends, my name is Gandhi and again welcome back to my channel. I am G. This video will be going to a haul video. In this video, I have purchased some products from the NYKAA website and I can definitely tell you that I just love the experience of buying stuffs from the NYKAA website. However, I just got a little bit disappointed from the NYKAA website that will I mention in this video. So watch this video fully without wasting any time. Started. So first of all, here I have this one. This is NYKAA Skinshield Anti-Pollution Foundation. This will basically provide a new face shield to your skin that guards against dust, microparticles and pollution. This will also help your skin to protect from environmental damage. This will not only minimize your pores but also mattifies your skin complexion. This will also provide a hydration to your skin. This brand offers a wide range of 15 shades in this foundation that suits every Indian skin tone. This will give you semi-matte finish look and I am in the shade of 06 Warm Nude. This foundation comes with a tube and the price of this product is 799 rupees. Then the next product I have, this one is from mamaearth micellar water foaming makeup remover with rose water and glycolic acid. This is for cleaning makeup and this one is parabens and SLS free, dermatologically tested, and this one is suitable for all the skin types and the neat volume of this product is 150 ml. This will not only help to remove makeup from your skin but also roast out other impurities from your skin and purifies your skin deeply and leaves your skin look smooth and glowy. So I have purchased two of them, one for me and one for my mother. Then the next product I wanna show you, this one is also from mamaearth. This one is aloe turmeric gel with pure aloe vera and turmeric. This one is for skin as well as hair and this one is suitable for all skin and hair types. Basically, I am the big fan of mamaearth's product and that products really work well for me. In addition to this one, this will kill two birds with one stone. You can apply it on your skin as well as your hair. So I have purchased two bottles of this turmeric gel, one for me and one for my mama. Okay. Then the next product I have, this one is L'Oreal Paris True Match foundation. This one is super-blendable foundation. Actually, this foundation is exceptionally surprised me because it contains little shimmer particles in it that I wasn't expecting from it. And this one comes with new feature like it improves skin quality in 2 weeks. So basically they wanna tell you that you can apply this one is on your daily basis and it will enhance your skin texture and leaves your skin look glowy and better. This foundation will give you a pearl-like finish. Let me show you the texture of it. Oh man. Let me just blend it. I mean, just wow. After applying this one, you won't feel that there is something on your skin. The formula of this one is so lightweighted and it blends in your skin very naturally. Actually, I just wanna say you one thing that I just started liking this L'Oreal Paris brand because 1 month ago I just have purchased this 24-hour foundation from L'Oreal Paris from NYKAA and I am totally loving it. Actually, this one is the exact shade of my skin tone and it blends so well that It makes me crazy. And then I just wanna spend my money in this L'Oreal foundation. So I have bought some products from the L'Oreal Paris foundation, and the next product from the L'Oreal Paris is that this one is L'Oreal Paris Man Expert Beard Club. This one is for the one who have short beard, and this one also moisturize your skin. Wait, this one is not for me. I just have bought it for my brother. I hope it will work for him. And the neat volume of this product is 50 ml, and the price of this product is 499 rupees. I hope he will like this one. Then the next product I have this one, L'Oreal Paris New Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence for bright and crystal clear skin. This will work as mist. You can apply this one before and after your makeup. The neat volume of this product is 22 ml, and the return price of this product is 250 rupees. This is how it looks. The next point is that how to apply this one. Just pour it on your hand and then just make dots all over your face and then gently dab it on your skin. It penetrates your skin very well. It goes 10 layers down to your skin and heal your skin. The fragrance of this one is so amazing. Like, I'm just loving this one. I just wanna mention it here that all the products from the L'Oreal Paris brand has exceptional quality of the makeup products, and they will provide their products with stylish and modern packaging, and the quality of their product is so amazing. The quality of texture, the fragrance of their products is totally awesome. So next product I have, this one is NYKAA Color Correcting Concealer Palette. Let me explain you this palette. So first of all, here we have this shade light green that will help to hide blemishes and scars on your face. Then we have this one light yellow shade that will help you to highlight some parts of your face, like your cheekbones, your forehead, your cupid's bow, or whenever you desire to highlight some parts. Next shade we have, this one is purple, light purple shade that will help you to conceal discoloration and imperfection of your skin. Then the next shade we have, this one is peach color and a little bit darker than this one. Both of them are used to conceal under eye circles. This one is the one who have fair undertone, and this one is for the one who have dusky and dark skin tone. The shades of this palette will work as cherry on the cake to your makeup kit, because at this price the cost of this product is 1325 rupees. Is definitely the must wala product. Lots of brands has provided us a color correcting stick, and that cost minimum 600 rupees. So as compared to that one, this one is the must product. Then the next product I have, this one is Mini Beauty Blender Sponge Applicated from Pac, and this one will come in the shape of water drop, egg, olive cut, and this one comes with a combination color of black and red. Then the point is that how to use this one. Then simply just wet this beauty blender and then apply this one. After wetting it into the water, it will become large in the size. Then the next product I have, this one is NYKAA mini lipstick. One is in the shade of 37M Beachy Peachy, and one in the shade of 48M Dots Initial. Let me show you how it looks on my skin. This one is Dots Initial and this one is Beachy Peachy shade. and the price of each lipstick is 199 rupees, and both the shades are so blendable and easy to apply one. Then the next product I have, this one is from Wet n Wild. This one is liquid highlighter, and this one is cruelty free, and the net volume of this product is 15 ml, and the price of this product is 675 rupees. You can use this one as illuminator, and this one comes with an easy to apply a large doe foot applicator. I'm just taking a tiny amount of it and just try to blend it. This one blend to your skin very well. I mean, just look at the shine. And talking about the fragrance is quite okay. Then the next product I have, this one is Wet n Wild mascara. This one is transparent mascara. Actually, I just don't like the mascara which are added black color in it, because after some time it will give you very artificial look to your eyes, but when you apply these sorts of mascara, it will give you very natural look to your eye. And this one also help to add volume to your lashes, and the price of this one is 299 rupees, and this one has very gel formula. This one won't dry in short periods of time because it doesn't have very creamy formula. This one has come with gel formula, and the applicator of this mascara is so smooth and work really well. The next product I have got this from the Lakme one. This one is lip crayon, and this one is in the shade of peach magnet. When I bought this, there was an offer on it, and in that offer I just got this one as free product, and I guess this one is the used product. And the packaging of this product is quite older than the comparison of this one. I mean, why and how? If you are not ready and if you are not feeling comfortable to give free products, then why such kind of offers? This is so disappointed. Don't give us. We are not seeking to you for the free product, and we are not seeking for you to give us used product. I have no words to explain this experience, because when you are going to buy something from the authentic one website, you don't expect this kind of things to happen to you. Let's just move on to the next one. Next product I have, this one is L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This one is full wear concealer, and let's just check the texture. OMG, this one comes with a large. The texture of this concealer is very lightweighted. Lightweighted concealer blends in your skin very well and then gives you very natural look. I mean, just look at this one. I just love the texture of it, and this one comes with an easy to apply doe foot applicator that makes application very breeze. Then the next concealer I have, this one from the NYKAA one. The applicator of this concealer is not so big, but I guess it will worth it. Let's just blend this one. It blends in your skin very well. This liquid concealer effectively helps to cover all the imperfection, discoloration, under eye circles, pimples, dark spots and other scars to your skin. And I am in the shade of CW03.5 Nude Beach. Actually, I just love about the NYKAA brand that they provide variety of the shades in the foundation as well as concealer that suits every Indian skin tone. Thanks for this patience, and again thank you so much to watch my full video. In the upcoming video I am just going to use all the products. If you are interested to watch that, then do subscribe my channel. Till then, stay safe, stay happy and spread love. Bye bye.